Hello again, everybody. Welcome to Break with box breaks for the 2013-2014 Panini Playbook box break number 142.
His last one for auction is Edmonton.
So the number is NE206-532-799. That's NE206-532-799. Here we go. Good luck, everybody. It's a double booklet pack. First off, start off with the social signatures for the Jets of Jim Slater. Base card 23/25, Sidney Crosby for the Penguins. Got a signature booklet, 59/100 for the Edmonton Oilers, Jordan Eberle. Nice hit for the Oilers. And then we got a dual rookie class book of Nathan Bellio and Jamie Levain. So randomize that between Canadians and the Leafs. Let me just get that set up. Here, good luck, everybody. 1, 2, and 3. So 3 times. The card goes to Montreal. Congrats to Montreal. And thank you very much again, everybody, for watching. Hope to see you again next time.